Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Coinbase for crypto investing basics, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by visiting the official Coinbase website or download the Coinbase app from a trusted source. Click on the Get Started button on the home page. Fill in your email address and create a strong password. Accept the terms and conditions by checking the relevant box. Click on Create Account to proceed. You will receive a verification email from Coinbase. Open the email and click on the verification link. Once verified, you will be prompted to log in using your email and password. After logging in, you may need to verify your identity. Provide the required personal information, including your full name, date of birth, and address. Upload a valid form of identification, such as a driver's license or passport. Coinbase may take a few minutes to review your documents. Once your identity is verified, log back into your Coinbase account. Enable two-factor authentication for added security. Go to the Settings section and choose Security. Select the option to enable two-factor authentication and follow the prompts. You will be asked to enter your phone number. Receive a verification code via SMS and input it on the platform. Now that you're secured, proceed to link your bank account or credit card. In the Settings menu, click on Linked Accounts. Choose either Link a New Account or Add Payment Method. Follow the instructions to link your selected payment method. Depending on the option, you may need to provide additional verification. After linking your payment method, return to the dashboard. You can now buy, sell, or trade cryptocurrencies. Explore the available cryptocurrencies listed on Coinbase. Select the cryptocurrency you wish to invest in. Click on Buy and enter the amount you're willing to purchase. Review the transaction details, including fees. Confirm your purchase by clicking on the Buy Now button. You have now successfully authenticated with Coinbase and can start investing in cryptocurrencies. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.